I'm Dr. Shivika, consultant from Birla Fertility and IVF. Egg freezing is a very important way of preserving your fertility. But we have to keep in mind that it works when it's done in the right time and in the right way. Today, let's talk about some mistakes that we tend to do when we are planning for egg freezing. Mistake number 1, waiting too long to freeze your eggs. Many women keep on waiting for a long time before freezing their eggs. But we need to understand that the quality of the egg starts to decline once we hit 30. So ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप egg freezing 38 पे कर रहे हैं या 40 पे कर रहे हैं तो उसके same results आएंगे than as somebody doing it at 30 or 32. So egg freezing should be done at the right time to get better results in the future. Mistake number 2, freezing your eggs without proper testing. अगर हम एग फ्रीजिंग करते हैं बिना AMH, अल्ट्रासाउंड या हार्मोनल पैरामीटर्स करे हुए, हमको रियलिस्टिकली ये नहीं पता कि हम कितने एग्स पिकअप में निकाल पाएंगे. This is going to give us some false expectations about our future pregnancy. So if you want good results, please do this testing and फिर ही अपनी egg freezing procedure करवाइए. Mistake number 3, assuming that one cycle is usually enough for egg freezing. The number of eggs actually that we retrieve in a cycle is dependent upon your AMH and egg reserve. तो अगर किसी का AMH और egg reserve कम है, एक cycle में उनके sufficient number of eggs नहीं मिल पाते. They might need more cycles. So always do your AMH, have a discussion with your doctor, and then plan the number of cycles that are needed to do your egg retrieval. Mistake number 4, ignoring lifestyle factors. This is very important, even more than how much people realize this. Smoking, drinking a lot of alcohol, not sleeping well, not exercising, not taking enough protein in your diet, all are going to hamper your egg quality. तो आप अपना egg freezing procedure कराने से पहले 2-3 months अपने internal well-being और health पर focus करिए. अच्छा खाना खाइए, प्रोटीन ज्यादा लीजिए, exercise करिए, stress management करिए, no smoking, no alcohol. Only then you'll be able to get good results. Mistake number 5, not realizing what egg freezing can do and cannot do. So egg freezing is a way of preserving your fertility. The success rates of a pregnancy will be decided by the embryo quality so formed, the sperm quality, and your health status at the time of doing a transfer. Have realistic expectations when you're starting egg freezing. Your future fertility deserves informed planning. Egg freezing is a very powerful option, but only if it is done under the right guide. So don't rush yourself, don't unnecessarily delay the procedure, and don't believe on online myths. Speak to a fertility expert, get investigations done, and then take a very informed decision regarding egg freezing.